What's up, guys? We're doing the randoms here in Elite for Group Break 213. This is Series 2 case number 1. We got the Young Guns checklist of Cozens and Stutzel, and the base exclusives checklist out of 100 of Kane and Jarris Seidel. So we got Ottawa Buff right there, Chicago and Oilers right there. We're going to go live real quick. We're live at 5:06. It's 5:06. Guys, we're going to do each random 3 times. Team on top will win. 1, 2, 3. Ottawa, you sweep it. I believe that was Jeremy. Can't remember off the top of my head. And 1, 2, and 3. Chicago. And we will do done. 5:06. 5:06.